Alright, to determine the heat of our coals here, you put your hand about 5 inches over the top of it and count how many seconds you can hold it. 1001, 1002, okay. Only about 1002 became uncomfortable, so that means it's high heat, about 450 to 500. We want it down to 225 or so. Of course, we're going to be cooking our go a little higher, so we can go a little higher on that. See? 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. So it's about the right temperature for cooking the goat. Now the instructions said to put a whole bag of charcoal in there. I think that was wrong because it's a little more heat than what we really wanted. Alright. Now I'm going to be working on this while it's hot, so I will want to make sure I got nothing dangling down on my sleeve as I get to the fire. You probably don't want to do this if you've been drinking, because you'll probably catch yourself on fire. So I'm going to put my gloves back on. Alright. And I was afraid that you pull that off there, please. Okay. Alright. I got them over there. Cut that down. Okay. Yeah, see if we get this in here. Woo! Yeah. Back in, put a little water gently. It's a little too hot. Okay. All right. Alright, we got that done finally. I had to rethink that a little bit probably. Turn this on. And we can see the legs are sticking out too far. So, I have a little room on the other side to work with. I'm going to scoot them down a little bit. A little bit. Well, as you can see, the legs are going to stick out over the edge over here. Oh, we didn't plan this very good at all. Whew. Okay. Okay. Well, we may just have to let him roast. Come out here and turn ourselves every once in a while.